Did you know that only 8% of people actually achieve the goals that they set out for a given year? That means that there is a shocking 92% of people who set goals for the year that never actually see them achieved. Now, I don't know about you, but when I first heard that statistic, I was both alarmed and ashamed. Alarmed to hear that there's such a discrepancy between those who fulfill their goals for the year and those who fall short of them. Ashamed to know that there's been plenty of times I've been in that 92% when I should have been in the 8. But upon further reading of this research conducted by the University of Scranton, I found that one of the common themes among those 8%ers is that they surround themselves with people who are also going after more in life. Those who believe that there's more to life than what they are experiencing every day. And so what they do is they lock arms and they make a decision that they're going to achieve those goals, and they hold each other accountable to those dreams and those goals they have for that year. Now, you see, that's where timeout comes in, because I do believe that there's more to life than what we are experiencing from day to day. Just trying to struggle to make ends meet, trying to struggle to try to see a better life for ourselves and our families. I believe that God has put something inside of you, something unique. You have gifts and talents and passions on the inside of you, but they're not supposed to stay there. That's the ticket to seeing you living the life that you're called to live. And so what I want to do is I want to lock arms with you. And that's why I invite you to join me every Wednesday coming the new year, so that we can take a brief time out together to allow me to partner with you and speak a word of encouragement into your life. I believe for every promise there is a process, and the process is not easy. In fact, most people give up in the process on the way to the promise. But what you and I are going to do is come together and hold each other accountable, and make sure that when it's all said and done, we can look behind us and see that we achieved those things we set out to do. And so I want you to remember this, that you achieving tomorrow's dreams is predicated on you not giving up today. Brothers and sisters, giving up is not an option. We're going to push through the process until we make it to the promise. So what I want you to do is now go to my page in my YouTube and subscribe now and hit that post notification button, so you know that every time a new timeout is released. And let us come out of this new year with testimonies that even in the process, when push came to shove, it could not take us out. We are going to make an impact in life that cannot be erased.